Hey guys, today I want to do a unboxing video of my new camera. It's a Canon VIXIA HF R600. It's full HD 1080p and it can record video in AVC HD progressive mode as well as MP4 mode. It does come with an HDMI. I bought it to replace my R400, which is a previous model of this camera. This was on sale at Costco here in Ontario, Canada, for $178.99. So I don't think you can go wrong with that price. So let's open it. So as per usual, there is the owner's manual, the warranty card, charger, it's a mini USB cable, a battery, and here's the HDMI cable. And this is the actual camera. So comes nicely wrapped in this bubble wrap, just like its cousin, the R400 is pretty light. This is where the battery goes. This is the little eject button to take the battery in and out. The front cover, and if you notice, there's threads around here, so you can probably mount a adapter lens or something. This is your record button, your zoom. It's a 3-inch touchscreen, on-off button, your microphone and AV out, as well as the HDMI and mini USB port. This is where you put your SD card, and like I said, on-off button plus the play button as well. So here it is. One thing I wanted to mention, just like my previous R400, the thread here to put it on a tripod is still made of plastic. If you have to be very careful, because what I ended up doing is I tightened it a little too much, and this is where it all cracked. And I mean, I can use it handheld, but I can't put it on a tripod anymore. Hope you enjoy the video. Please leave a like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye now.